XLOOKUP is a new function in Office 365 and it can be used to look up a value, and it will handle #NA errors where a value is not found. Let me show you. If I put in the function equals XLOOKUP, the first argument is the lookup value, then a comma. The second argument is the lookup array. The third argument is the return array. And then the fourth argument, which is optional, is if not found. So if the value is not found, I can put a message to replace the #NA error. I don't need another argument because the default is exact match only. And now, if I look up a value that is not found, such as a spelling mistake, it will give me the error message instead of #NA. And that's just one benefit of the new XLOOKUP function.